in our situations, we always insist on 3 times the rental rate as their gross income, and that would be for all applicants. Always get the last 2 or 3 paycheck stubs if you have a W-2 tenant applicant. If you have a self-employed applicant, get 2 years tax returns and a current profit and loss statement. On the check stub, double check that what they disclose to you as their gross earnings is what they earn. Look at the actual pay amount for that pay period and their year-to-date earnings and make sure those numbers tie out. Also, make sure that the address, if it's listed on there on the paycheck stub, matches the home address on the credit report and what they put on their application. If they're different, it's a red flag. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it's a red flag for you to talk to the tenant to get more information. So in our situations, we always insist on 3 times the rental rate as their gross income, and that would be for all applicants. If you have somebody that doesn't have a lot of disposable income left over, then if any sort of emergency comes up, they're going to be late on their rent. So make sure you check their debt to income and you have a kind of set firm guideline as to the multiple of rents that they should be earning on gross income. Next is employment verification. Always, always, always call the employer, and don't just call the number they've provided. Google or call information and find that number separately from the one they gave you to avoid any sort of fraud. So once you get the number from a third-party source, call and verify their employment. Now, most employers won't verify income, but they will verify that they, at a minimum, currently work there, and sometimes will tell you how long they've worked there. Identity fraud is a big deal these days, so make sure that you're getting pictures of their ID front and back and validate that that picture is them and that it doesn't look like it's been altered in any way, and that the addresses on their ID matches the addresses on the credit report and on their paycheck stub. Anything different, just to ask the questions, but always get ID.